na alam naman po natin na yung pangalan na Mary Grace ay isang restaurant, yung Piatos ay isang chichirya. No, if you ask me, medyo questionable. Kung meron pa ho talagang taong nagngangalang Mary Grace Piatos. Now, we could not find out whether this Mary Grace Piatos is indeed a person or alive because there's no corroborate attachment to it other than the acknowledgement receipt na receive natin, ang permado niya. So, Mr. Chair, this prompted, Mr. Chair, in fact, some of the members here and guest members who came out with a, yung pabuya na kung sino man ang makakapagturo, Mr. Chair, sa taong ito na buhay, we are willing to provide 1 million pesos as a reward for anybody who can point us to us whether this Mary Grace Piatos is indeed a person and if she is really around, alive, no, Mr. Chair. Also, as Mr. Chair, another observation that I want to ask, I think it was also already mentioned during the previous hearings, that there are names appearing in both the acknowledgement receipts from the OVP and as well as from the Department of Education. Pero may isang pangalan na nag-stand out sa akin among all the acknowledgement receipts na sinumite nila.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We will now proceed to the next video, which is dated October 17, 2024 hearing, kung saan po dito po dininay ng mga Philippine Army personnel na sila po ay nakatanggap ng confidential fund.
Mempin, you are
I'm about to
recognized.
wrap up, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
General, kanina po sabi nyo, hindi nyo alam yung confidential fund.
Yeah,
You
that's
still
correct.
confirm that?
That's correct, Your Honor, Mr.
But I
Chair.
hope you understand that the certifications which I confirm from the AFP officers, the 4 of them, pertains to the expenditure of 15 million taken from the confidential fund. And according to them, those certifications were required by you.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, actually I was asked by the Officer of the Secretary to ask for certification coming from these units. But it is clear to them or even to me that no funds are involved, meaning no funds released to these units. What the Office of the Secretary is wanted to know is the product or the result of the collaboration of various stakeholders, including DepEd, with regards to our youth. So it is clear, ma'am, that DepEd has not released any single centavo to the conduct of wireless to the units mentioned, ma'am, Your Honor, and Mr. Chair.
If you are saying, General Mempin, na walang nirelease na pondo ang DepEd dito po sa Youth Leadership Summits, saan po ginastos yung 15 million?
That's, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, that was, I was not aware of it because the task given to me is just to coordinate because to be candid about it, the commanders of Colonel Buransing, Colonel Panopio, and Lieutenant Colonel Sangdaan are my former colleagues or classmates in the Philippine Military Academy.
Next is the November 25, 2024 hearing. Dito po ay Assistant Secretary Fajarda initially claimed she personally disbursed 37.5 million. Then kinlarify po niya to later on na dumaan ito sa military aid. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. For 2023, Mr. Edward Farda, you prepared three disbursement vouchers, three 37.5 million. Tama? Tatlong 37.5 million.
Yes, Honor. Tama
Yung
po.
bang nangyari doon sa unang 37.5 million, yung second quarter disbursement voucher at saka yung third quarter disbursement voucher, parehas po ang nangyari, ang ginawa po ninyo?
You mean parehas?
Yung
Your Honor.
in-encash nyo yung cheque,
Opo. Yes, Your Honor. Opo.
i-draw ninyo tapos ibiligay nyo kay Colonel Dennis Nolasco.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero hindi po buo lahat yun. Your
Yan,
Honor po.
yung ibig sabihin, meron pa bang ibang tao maliban kay Colonel Dennis Nolasco na kumuha sa inyo ng confidential fund?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
So,
Sa kanya
nag-iisa lang siya talaga.
po. Yes, Your
For
Honor.
the three checks
Yes, Your Honor.
worth 37.5 million
Tatlo po.
each.
Opo.
Tama?
Tama po.
Okay. Doon po.
Next, Madam Chair, is the September 25, 2024 hearing kung saan po dito po kinumpirma ng nakatanggap po ng siyam na envelope mark as Hope na tig 50,000 each over several months or 9 months.
100,000 pesos. Between February 2023 to September 2023, I received a total of 9 envelopes labeled Hope. My concurrent position on DepEd during that time. These envelopes were handed to me mostly by Assistant Secretary Sunshine Fajarda, which she says came directly from Vice President Duterte. What she would typically say as she hands the envelope. It would appear that I received this envelope by virtue of my office as Hope. Attorney Fajarda is the wife of Edward Fajarda, who is the Special Disbursement Officer. Although the exact date evades recollection, sometimes during the course of my tenure with DepEd, a member of my staff informed me that an inquiry was made by one of our officers in the field that Mr. Fajarda had made inquiries about the bank accounts of several individuals and if divulging such information to him was permitted. My office confirmed that it was upon the instruction of the Office of the Secretary. Evidently, it would appear that regional directors and other employees on the field would also receive sums on top of the regular salaries.
And last, Madam Chair, the same official dated September 25, 2024 hearing kung saan po yung testimony niya, sinasabi niya na siya daw ay pinag-resign dahil siya ay tumanggi na mag-participate sa procurement irregularities.